I'm James McMullen, former California State Fire Marshal. Incendiary fires are those which are purposefully set, and they happen more often than we think. According to the U.S. Fire Administration, in recent years, 1 out of every 16 structure fires was intentionally set, amounting to $664 million worth of direct loss. Incendiary fires are often easy to detect. Evidence of an incendiary fire is often preserved. Because the crew was careful in their observations and called in an investigator right away, the evidence of arson was maintained, allowing the DA and the insurance company's attorneys to build solid criminal and civil cases. Notice fire behavior, incendiary devices, environmental modifications, and suspicious behavior. If the answer to any is yes, then call in an investigator to give the situation a closer examination. And remember to trust your gut instinct.
Sir, I think we need you. Think you're a lifelong member of the California Fire Chiefs Association, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, we've been having a big problem with fires recently, right?
We sure Once they're in a barbecue and they turn gray and appear to be out. In many cases, they aren't out. And you see, Your Honor, I did a demonstration this morning with grasses. These are typical grasses that we find throughout the United States in dry conditions. Ember flying out immediately starts to smolder and then ignite, as you can see right here. You see the fire, once we have ignition, it travels uphill very rapidly. Fire burns 16 times as fast going uphill as it does downhill. This fire ignited in a matter of seconds after a hot ember hit this dry grass. This grass will ignite under windy conditions with low humidity at about 300 to 400, 500 degrees. Firefighters are extinguishing the fire now.
The McMullen Company founder and retired Chief California State Fire Marshal James McMullen is a court-qualified expert witness, bringing over 40 years of experience to each client and case. James McMullen, experienced as unmatched fire and life safety expert. James McMullen has testified over 125 times in depositions and trials. He is qualified to testify in the administration of building and fire codes as well as laws, regulations, ordinances, and standards to evaluate fire and life safety. As a fire expert, his extensive experience includes fire service administration, strategic fire planning, and evaluating public fire services, the investigation of fire origin, cause, and spread, as well as training of fire professionals and negligence of fire departments, operations and management, fire safety roofing, window safety, and wildfire, urban wildland interface safety. For more information, we invite you to contact the fire experts at James McMullen Company Incorporated, 1260 Lake Boulevard, number 226, Davis, California, 95616, or phone area code 530-757-1291 to talk to a fire expert. Thank you for watching.